One of the steps on the path to you becoming a successful affiliate is to build a mailing list, which means that you need to create a good lead magnet product as bait, and then you need to advertise this enticing freebie on your lead magnet page. The good thing about putting together a lead magnet page is that it's not even as hard as assembling IKEA furniture. The instructions aren't going to be in some incoherent mix of Swedish and English. You don't need weird tools, and you won't have any spare parts left over. Hopefully. Good deal, right? So let's jump right into the process. The first thing you're going to need is a website. This means you need to get a domain name and then get the domain name hosted with a web host. You can use a registrar like Namecheap.com and a web host like HostGator.com. Check the online documentation for both of these sites, and you're going to get videos and text instructions for getting your domain set up with your web host. The second thing you need is a way to manage your email list. There are plenty of scripts you can install and host on your own site, but those are going to take a bit of tech know-how. Plus, you're also going to need to spend time managing your database and making sure your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes. So, an easier way to handle this task is to use a trusted third-party email service provider. These are services like Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, or similar type services. The cool thing about these providers is that they provide lots of instructions on how to set up your list and get your opt-in form onto your lead magnet page. So you shouldn't have any trouble setting it up, even if you consider yourself a bit of a technophobe. Next, you need a lead magnet page where you can drop your opt-in form. The good news is that you don't need to hire some high-priced, latte-drinking web designer to create this page for you. You don't need to know any code at all. You don't even need to know anything about web design. All you need to do is get your hands on a cool little web app called Landing Page Monkey, which automatically creates gorgeous lead magnet pages for you. You can even add background videos to your page, which creates a modern, polished look that's going to impress your visitors and boost your conversion rates. Check out the resources section on this website for more information about Landing Page Monkey, okay? In addition to your opt-in form, the other thing you'll need to put on this lead magnet page is a bit of compelling sales copy. And that copy should give people a really good reason to join your list. Basically, you need to offer up your free lead magnet product on a silver platter with an awesome sauce headline and a couple bullet points. You want to make sure this copy really drives home the benefits of the free product and why people should subscribe now to get their hands on it. Let me give you an example of an intriguing headline. Free report reveals a weird trick to get rid of belly fat without exercise or hunger pangs. See how that works? It arouses curiosity while serving up some intriguing benefits. You could add a handful of similar bullet points below the headline to further entice your prospects. For example, you might have a line like, "Discover which magic fat-burning herb is sitting in your cupboard right now." Another example, find out which food you need to drop from your diet today to get rid of love handles. All right, now after you've presented these benefits, then put a call to action like, "Click here to get your free report." Seriously, you need to take people by the hand and tell them exactly what you want them to do, which is to join your list to claim their free lead magnet product. Simple. You're going to get a higher conversion rate when you specifically tell people what to do, rather than just assuming they'll know what to do. They don't know what to do. You got to tell them. Now, when people join your list, they'll get access to the lead magnet product, but they should also get started on an autoresponder series of at least 5 emails. Your email series should share some good niche relevant tips, and it should also promote one main affiliate offer, as well as secondary affiliate offers later in the email series. Let's go back to the weight loss example. If you're sending out a series of 5 follow-up emails, you might share 5 quick tips for shedding the fat. Give people some good information, something they haven't read in a million other places. Give them something they can take action on right away and start seeing some results. In other words, build your subscribers' trust. Build a relationship with them. Show them that you can solve their problems. Of course, just tossing off a few tips isn't going to solve their problems, which is why you need to offer up other solutions, and these are your affiliate links to paid products. For example, you might send your list 3 low-fat and low-calorie smoothie recipes for them to try, and then promote a recipe book full of diet smoothies. Or maybe you send your subscribers an example weekly meal plan and then promote some meal planning software. You get the idea? Offer good tips in your mailings and then link to good solutions with your affiliate link. So now it's time for you to take action. Plan out your email series and start setting up your lead page. Also, be sure to check out the resources on this site for tools that are going to help you set it up in a snap. Okay, so go ahead and get to it, and I'll see you in the next video.